Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. For this video we'll be checking out some PS5 DualSense controller accessories kindly provided by PlayVital for this review video. Now the first item that we have here is the Black Guardian Edition soft grips for the DualSense controller. If you order the grips, they will come nicely packaged in a package like this. Of course, inside you'll find the 2 soft grips. Now the cool thing is that you get a 6 months warranty as well as 2 high quality silicone thumbstick caps. At first you might find it weird that the case actually consists of 2 separate pieces, but this split design allows you to use your original DualSense controller charging station. Here are the 2 thumbstick caps. Now they are very easy to install, and later in the video I will show you the quickest way to do it. As you can see guys, it is very easy to put on the controller grips. They're made of a quite flexible silicone material that significantly reduces slipping during prolonged gaming sessions. The grips fit really well and snug, and they don't interfere with any of the controller buttons or ports in any way. The ultra thick palm grips really improve the comfort, and overall the controller fits really nice in your hands. As I said earlier, in the package we also get a set of high quality silicone thumbstick caps. The easiest way to install them is to turn the cap inside out just like that. Then you place the cap on the thumbstick and it just snaps into place, simple as that. And that's how the DualSense controller looks after we install the controller grips and the thumbstick caps. I like how the controller feels, it's a bit beefier and your grip is just vastly improved. The next item provided by PlayVital is the Universal Game Controller Stand. It fits the PS4 and PS5 controllers as well as the Xbox Series X and S controllers. As you can see, the stand has a very minimalistic design. It is made of premium ABS plastic, which is durable, and thanks to the non-slip rubber pads on the bottom of the stand, it is very stable as well. Since I have all of my controllers just lying around, I'll definitely be using this stand to display some of my custom controllers. So guys, that's it for this video. The links to the controller grips and the controller stand will be in the description below, so be sure to check out PlayVital's online store for even more gaming accessories.